guys, so you want to start affiliate marketing, but you just don't know where to start because there are so many informations out there and you're just really getting overwhelmed with that information. Some information is really free, some information you can doubt a little bit about it, and some information you just put it into rubbish. So what to choose and who can you trust? Well, I can tell you right away in order for you to become an affiliate marketer. So let's dive into it right now. So before we keep going, please subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell in order to know when I post new videos out there, because I'm posting almost every day. And please give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments and I really like to have some likes. It gives me some power to keep going and post new videos online every day. So what we want to talk about today is how to become an affiliate marketer, but how to become a good affiliate marketer that is not going to promote affiliate stuff forever for no money because you have no traffic. So how do we do that? Well, we take a good training. Yes, that's what we do. And trust me, I've been into that situation for long enough because I wanted to have my own online business. After COVID, I lost my job. It was definitely not perfect. And I was just like, okay, I need to find solutions. I need to move forward. I need to make money. And what I want is to have freedom with my kids and my boyfriend. And I want to have this release the money stress of my life. And I just picture myself being like on a really nice beach with my kids and running around and fooling around. And I just want to have this feeling of freedom that is so great. So what I did was to look around for free offers, and I saw some really weird offers, and I saw some offers that I was really doubting about until I found the proper offer that was I felt that I could really trust. If I can tell you, I just felt that it was right, and it was a community. It was a business that could lead me to success, because that's what the mission of this business is to make people successful. So what's that thing? It's called Entra Institute. So I joined Entra Institute a couple of months ago, and as soon as I joined, I made a sale, an affiliate sale, and I was just like, oh my god. It was not overnight, guys, but it was like maybe 2 or 3 weeks after I joined, I made a sale. And I was just like, okay, that's it. That's really, really cool. That's my way. That's my path to freedom and to me running on the beach with the kids, with my boyfriend. And that was really awesome. If you're really curious about that, I'm going to post the link below. So you just have to click that to just join the training. But I can tell you, it's going to show you exactly what steps you need to do in order to become a great affiliate marketer. You're going to be taught different techniques by a guy who started affiliate marketing 5 years ago, and he's super successful now. He's a millionaire, and it's all real stuff. Like I can tell you can really trust these guys. So your teacher for affiliate marketing, the course is called Affiliate Marketing Millionaire. He's gonna walk you through different modules that's gonna really show you everything, and like by the meanings of different words that we always say in the affiliate marketing world, from like really detailed different things that you can do in order to have more sales and more leads. So if you would like to become a successful affiliate marketer, I really deeply suggest you to just click on the link below. You're gonna be walked through the Entra Blueprint training. So the Entra Blueprint training is really important because you're gonna just set the basics of your entrepreneur mindset. So your entrepreneur mindset is super important in order to be successful. You're going to set your goals, you're going to make a business plan, and this business plan is not a boring business plan. It's a great business plan. It's just about your goals. And at Entra we talk a lot about the 3 P's of excellence. So it's the physical, the personal, and the professional excellence. You're gonna set your goals for these three areas of your life, because in Antra we don't talk about just professional success, about making money all the time. We talk about physical and personal success as well, because it's really important to have a balance in your life, otherwise you're gonna get crazy. And after that, you're gonna go through a boot camp. If you take the Affiliate Millionaire course, you're gonna go to a boot camp. And let me tell you, that boot camp is really intense. It pushes you, and you're gonna be with an advisor. And actually, I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna share my screen. So that's the Antra Blueprint course. So you're gonna go through 6 steps before you arrive to the business plan, and then you have the next steps, which are which course do you want to take. So you're gonna have the choice in between going for affiliate marketing, digital course, or building a digital agency. You can take the 3. It's a really good bundle. It's really cheap, but you can just take piece by piece if you want as well. We can see here it's Marlon. He's my advisor, and he was really nice. He really pushed me to just go forward and do actions every day. And I felt really like, okay, yeah, I need to make some actions, and you gotta have calls with him every day. And he's gonna tell you, okay, are you willing to commit to that action and to these steps? And are you willing to commit to these things that you've put on paper? Are you gonna just implement them? And you're just like, yeah, I'm gonna do that. And you're gonna see, you're gonna feel like, woohoo, it's gonna go like, you're gonna feel the power inside. So that's the Antra Blueprint. And after that, you have the boot camp that is really gonna push you to all the it's gonna really push you to become a super entrepreneur. And you're gonna have, it's gonna be a training with Jeff Lerner. That is Jeff Lerner. He's the CEO of Antra Institute, and he's gonna walk you through all the steps he's been to become a millionaire. And he went from total scratch, like from $400,000 in debt to millionaire in 18 months. So that's really encouraging if you're starting. And I'm just going to show you here the boot camp. So here you have the boot camp, you have your instructor Jeff Lerner, and you have his description here, and you're gonna go for your success mindset, your implementation. So what's your goals? Getting super productive as well. It's really important in that area. Building your wealth, and you're gonna do your implementation plan. So implementation plan, it's a 12 months plan. So you're gonna know your goals for 12 months in order to have the best year of your life. If you're looking to become a successful affiliate marketer, I really suggest you to stop looking around for weird trainings or for some free trainings, because for sure you can find free informations everywhere, but to pick all the pieces, it's going to take you so long, and you're going to make so many mistakes with that training, which is good. What is good about that training is that you're just going to go step by step into the proper steps in order to be successful and not waste your time by doing mistakes. So you have people that already have done mistakes, and that's really cool. They've done the mistakes for you, and now they're teaching you the right way to make money online. And you can choose whatever niche. If you like fitness, losing weight, if you're into a spiritual thing, meditation, yoga, whatever niche you are in, you can do affiliate marketing. You have so many offers out there. And I have a video actually that I just posted about that will show you exactly where you can find a lot of affiliate offers in order to sell and make money. So if you like that, please give me some likes, give me some thumbs up, and I would really like if you could subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you get notification when I go out there. So thank you very much, guys. I really hope that you liked that video. If you want to have more information about the training, you just click on the link below and you take the training right away. You're gonna be on the right path, I promise you. I really promise you. Okay, ciao.